Alrighty, it's a Friday. We're back in the shop. I had a long midterms week at school and just wrapped up. So it's gonna be a weekend full of filming and trying to get some more projects done before the snow melts off. So let's get down to it. As you can see here, we got a little old laundry cart. And the goal is to do a small little project and turn it into a welding cart for my welder, so I can stop having a sketchy bottle out ready to fall over if someone accidentally kicks it. So let's get down to it. All right, for those of you who don't know, this is my little Lincoln Electric handy MIG welder. It has on, off, low and high settings, and then you can control the wire speed right here. This welder is pretty good. It does the job. It's supposed to weld up to 1/8 inch steel. I've welded 1/4. Just got to heat it up and make a little groove to get better penetration, but it's a pretty good welder overall. So my kit came with flux core and MIG wire. I've probably done $4,000 worth of welding with this little guy instead of paying someone else. And I only picked it up for about $200 on Amazon. And I went to my local gas place and got this for about the same amount of money as the welder was actually. And it's done pretty much that whole bike right there and some projects on some other things too that I did off camera. Yeah, it's held up great. I really like it, and probably be good enough until I want to get a TIG, which I will get a TIG at some point. For MIG gas, I only have one gas, and it's 75-25 argon CO2 mix, and it does the trick. It's pretty good. I do need to get a regulator on top of it that shows me PSI and how much I have left. But overall, pretty good machine. I've liked it so far. For my welding helmet, I got this like a little skull and flame one by the brand Deco, and I just purchased it on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. It does the trick. It has a automatic dimming, so while you're wearing it you can still see, and then it dims as you start welding. So the goal today is to make this into a welding cart to the point where my welding gas can sit inside of here with the welder on top shelf or bottom shelf and be able to move it around up and down wherever I need to get to, and have it all be secure and in one place, so then if I want to weld with on my motorcycle, I can just bring it forward and do what I need to do. It also has like kind of a storage area for all my different things I use when cleaning up welds, and also magnets and other things like that. So pretty simple. Just taking this, and I'm gonna mark out a hole that I need to cut it out, put it down, and see how stable it is, and maybe make a thing to stabilize it down below. But other than that, that's about it. All right, so I decided I'm gonna cut out just part of this back section, trying to fit this one bottle in, because I might be getting a stainless bottle and stainless wire here soon. So leave a section in front to hold a stainless bottle. Again, this is probably pretty temporary because you know, it's not the most perfect thing in the whole world, and also I'd like to have more of a robust type welding cart, but this will do right now. I just don't want to spend money on something expensive that I don't necessarily need at the time. it moves around a little bit, but it's pretty stationary. I say it does the trick. Let's wheel back inside to get everything hooked up. Yeah, so like I said, pretty solid in there. Nice tight fit, moves around a little bit, but she looks good and it looks like it's gonna work out. So I don't even know if I'm in frame because I'm so tall, but yeah, let's hook it all up. All right, that was super easy. I should have done that a while ago, to be honest. Everything's hooked up. Kind of jank in my opinion. Not very like me to do this, although I do some things janky. But everything's kind of hooked up out of the way, nice and neat. Got my magnets up here. And I was gonna show you the inside. Right here you have the tensioner, positive, negative, and then obviously your MIG wire right here, along with the spool it runs on. And it looks like I'm running a little bit low. So I gotta go over to AutoZone or Napa here soon. But other than that, you got your wire feed, your trigger right there, ground, some wire brush tools for cleaning up my welds that look bad, and obviously the plug-in. All right. So the question is what to do next. I do have a lot of projects. I'm a little bit tired. I think I might just show you a few things and call it a video. With having a side exit exhaust, it's obviously gonna be really hot right through here, even with the exhaust wrapped on. And my leg's gonna be right here, right? And I don't wanna burn myself. So I went ahead and measured out and bought the correct shield. And then just for extra safety, I bought some Permatech aluminum heat shielding to put on the back of this. So I just show you what that's gonna be like, and yeah. All right, I did get a few comments on how bad the weld was here. I know. I wish I could have pie cutted it, but I don't have a bandsaw, so we had to make do. And it's important to note that it is going to be covered by the heat wrap. I'm not a professional, so yeah. Other than that, it seals off pretty good, and it'll look fine. Nobody will ever know, except for the people that watch these videos. So yeah, this Permatech right here, like as you can see, it has an adhesive back that's gonna go on the back of this thing, and this thing is going to go right around the heat shielding that I'm gonna put on and be right here. So it's just gonna be a little black mark protecting my leg, and I think it looks pretty nice. I'm not the happiest. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm not the happiest with these spot weld marks, but that's the little stuff. This piece was Amazon $17 anyways, so. I think tomorrow we're gonna make the headlight brackets for this, and then that'll be posted on Monday. And it is starting to get warmer out, so we're gonna start being able to paint everything, including the tank of the bike, and really starting to make it look like what I want it to look like. I'm getting really excited. So after we paint the exhaust in high heat paint, I'll be able to wrap the exhaust too and get that all buttoned up and done. Same thing with the side covers. And I'm gonna make the headlight bracket tomorrow, so hopefully that all turns out good. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, stay tuned. And we'll be able to paint that black and paint the tank white with the black Yamaha lettering. It's gonna look so great. So I'm getting really excited. Just the last little bit. So yeah, with the warmer weather comes more driving and riding, more dirt biking, so more content with that. I actually found this little GoPro, so I'm gonna try out the quality and maybe throw it in this video and see if it works any good. If it does, I'll buy some brackets and mounts to make some POV shots inside the car, on the motorcycle too, and really show you my first rides and first drives after doing things and stuff. Should make the channel a little bit better, and with that, less work in school, more videos, more time editing and stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Sorry if this video is a little bit boring, but we'll be back Monday with a banger. Thanks. All right, here I am on the GoPro. No idea how this quality is gonna look, but we're 10 seconds in. A little Hero 3. Feels weird holding this after holding the other camera. Huh. All right. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe. This time for real. So. Woo!